So today we have a special treat. We have a brand new Sport Demon Pirelli on the rear. The front tire is probably got less than 1,000 miles on it. So for all practical purposes, we have a brand new set of Pirelli Sport Demons on this bike. Now I've had them on. I've had several sets on here. I've had Bridgestones, Dunlops, and I always keep coming back. In the end, I always like the Sport Demons on this particular bike. And I'm not sure why. It's a great match. They are not a real long life tire, but they are sticky as contact cement. And for my riding style and where I ride, I run them at a relatively low pressure. They seem to work great. Now we have yet another really hot day. We want to get this ride as early as possible, get back as early as possible, because it really does heat up by lunchtime. And as it is every day, job one is to become a parking lot attendant and start moving motorcycles around. There's just no way around this. So we have a few unique things. We finally have both of the black wheels on the motorcycle. Finally have a jet going overhead, something that happens about every 2 minutes. A brand new tire on the back, not even scuffed in, so I'll do a full pre-flight, of course. Tire pressure, oil, chain, the whole thing, and then clean the bike up and get ready for what I hope is going to be a very nice, pleasant ride before it gets too hot. Now how convenient is it to have the Curvy Girl valve stems? Wow, it just can't be any more convenient than that. So we swapped out this wheel about a week ago, and the air in the tire should be exactly the same, and it is, as we left it. So now what I'm going to do is adjust it to the real pressure. I always, when I have a new tire, I always put 50 pounds of air in, let it sit until the day I ride the bike. Now in the old days they made tires with mold release agent that you used to have to ride a certain amount of miles, scuff them in. Well, that's not really true of modern tires, and I have never found that to be necessary, but I always like to get at least one ride in before I get too pushy. And thank you for Luciano for that Muzzy muffler. That worked out great. It just couldn't be any better than it's just worked out fine on this bike. I like the amount of sound I have, and I like the tone, but most of all where we ride now, and it's basically because of that. I'm trying to keep the bikes as quiet as possible. Of course, cleaning up the bike, always one of the things I enjoy before a ride, because I do like to have a nice coat of wax on everything. I enjoy doing my little photo shoots and video pictures, and I like the bike to be clean when I do that. More important than that, the number one thing on any motorcycle I ride is the Valentine radar detector. Oh. Well, the only thing left is take care of the watering on the pond and the fish, and we're going to be out of here. We're going to be good to go, and it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. And nothing makes a bike handle better than a brand new set of tires. And these are Pirelli Sport Demons. And actually it does look pretty nice now with the matching set of wheels. We were riding around with the green black wheel, the green back wheel for a while. It really does look a lot better. Okay, we are ready. Let's get the farm work done. Okay, let's go, guys. Come on. Come on, and no splashing and no biting. And the work on the farm never ends. We have more lilies blooming today, and they are so beautiful. And just part of today's harvest, Karen is still out there harvesting while I'm going to go get ready. Get suited up because the rain is supposed to be coming, but so far we've been beating the rain more than it's beat us. 36,000 miles and a brand new tire. And matching black wheels. I love it. Time to go. What a beautiful area to ride in. I'm so lucky to live here. Well, there's nothing makes a bike a little better than a new set of tires. And these are Pirelli Sport Beatings. Whenever you put a new tire on, it always feels like you just got a new bike. I don't know. Some people like to use up that last little bit of the tire, and while the handling's wonky and it's flat in the middle, every time I've done that, I've regretted it. New tires make the bike. Now, the combination of how nice and flexible that engine is and how sticky those tires are, and the fact that the day so far hasn't overheated me so far, it's made for a very, very enjoyable day. Now, this is one of the areas, it's right around facing lakes. Wait a bit, all brand new pavement, and I've been suffering with that. They've been digging this up and making detours and all of this stuff, but boy, the fresh pavement is only a day or two old. They just painted the yellow lines. It's absolutely beautiful now. Now, I'm really getting spoiled by getting out on the road nice and early like this. I wanted to get my ride in before it really got hot, but I can see it's getting hotter by the moment. I can see it, feel it coming. Some of the beautiful landscaping in this area is unbelievable. They really do a nice job. And one of my future plans for this bike, maybe over this winter coming up, I'll do the research on it, is to get a quick shifter on this bike. They make several aftermarket quick shifters. They are a little pricey. It's slated to really get up hot today, and I'm sure Dolphin Lake will be crowded. They're not crowded yet because we're out early in the morning. Now it really got hot very quickly, and I was looking to find some roads in the shade here. This is the back roads, and the shady roads were just a lot nicer, a lot cooler. And toward the end of this ride, I was really starting to cook. In fact, right here I can remember thinking, oh, it's so nice getting out early in the morning before the real heat of the day. We want to get back before the day heats up. I hope we'll get that done today. Well, it's a good feeling to know we had a good ride. It looks like we're going to beat the rain home. I am good and sweaty. These days just get so hot. And it's not even lunchtime yet, and you just cook out there. So we're home, not a drop of rain. Day played out beautifully, and there's just something about that engine. It's just a sweet running engine. All the miles it has on it, it doesn't burn a drop of oil either. Now I'm sure Karen has some plans. She's making coffee right now. We're gonna go hang out on a porch for a while. I'm sure she's got some plans for the farm. She always does. That's why I love her. And as I always say, there's nothing better than a new set of tires on a bike. Bring back the handling and that sweet running motor. Always have a good time. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. So what is Grammy making? Zucchini pancakes?
No, potato pancakes.
Potato pancakes.
With a little bit of zucchini in it.
Wow, there's going to be a lot of cleanup for Grandpa here. Yes. I can see that. Yeah.
There is. A lot of cleanup.
Now what's in there? Zucchini? From the garden?
Potatoes and zucchini.
Oh, wonderful. Are you eating one? Let's see. Come on, are they good? Oh! So the kids do come and pop in here once in a while, and this is their reward. They get free cookies. We buy their friendship with blue cookies and potato what do they call them? Zucchini pancakes?
No, the potato pancakes.
I can't get this straight.
It's an RPG fail with the status.
Are you looking at Windy videos again? See you later, alligator.
Oh, rub it.
So of course the tire worked out great. We got to see the kids at the end of the day eating pancakes and whatever they were doing. Mischievous stuff, of course, just like me. Anyway, we do try to post up something every day if you're new to this channel. We got way over 2,000 videos now. And there's probably something of interest: carbon fiber work, painting, Bondo work. I can't even think of it. It's just a bunch of two-stroke stuff, one of my favorites. Evil twin projects. I never get sick of looking at this. Old men, old bikes, and young hearts. But the bottom line is we do enjoy sharing what we have learned about motorcycling in the over 50 years we've been involved in it. It's been a lot of fun. We do enjoy sharing it, and thanks to YouTube, it's very easy. I enjoy editing the videos, and thanks for watching.